Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Logic Tech, and as always I'm bringing you straight to the point, value content. Have you ever wondered what it will be like to be a gamer but just not know where to begin? Lucky for you, in today's video I'm going to walk you step by step as you start your journey in gaming. In essence, there are a wide variety of games. We have shooting games like PUBG and Call of Duty, racing games like Asphalt and NFS, open world games like GTA and Far Cry, fighting games like Mortal Kombat and Injustice, adventure games, puzzle games, and many more. All you have to do is pick your poison and start there. Most beginners will prefer a shooting game like PUBG, since it has a simple layout that's easy to maneuver your way through, and in PUBG you don't battle monsters or villains, and it doesn't have a set storyline that you have to follow through. There is no added advantage, no cheat codes, just plain strategy. Plus, it's free. Fun fact, human beings have a primal link to end violence, so no matter how much we vote for peace and unity, we still enjoy fighting and destruction. This is the reason why most people enjoy shooting games like PUBG and Call of Duty. We also find wrecking other cars in Asphalt and NFS pretty cool. So I'm 90% sure the people watching this video are going to root more on that, so I'm not going to lean over puzzle games. If you're more into cars, then a racing game like Asphalt or NFS are what you should pick. And as a beginner, I suggest these because of their simple layout and user-friendly interface. And before you actually start to play any games, you need to have a good RAM on your phone or PC to prevent overheating or freezing or crashing of the game. If your phone or PC is not of good RAM, just cancel out the background apps or tasks going on your PC. Also, for a good smooth gaming experience, you need to pick the right settings that suit the game that you're in. Be sure to check out my next video. I'll be showing you guys the perfect settings to put when playing PUBG for you to have the best and smoothest experience. Thank you and goodbye.